This is how to transfer USDT from Binance to your Payeer account. The first thing you do is to log on to your Payeer. At the same time, you log on to your Binance account. This is the inside of my Payeer account. You can see these are different wallets for all major cryptos. They are here. That is, you can easily deposit and withdraw any cryptos using Payeer. I've done multiple videos on how to use Payeer. You will see the links below the description of this video. But right away, for you to transfer USDT from Binance to Payeer, you come to this place. You locate your asset menu on your app or on the web. This is asset. You click asset. Asset will help you know the cryptos that you have. You'll be able to see the list of cryptos and the amount that you have. You click withdraw. This is withdraw. You can see deposit crypto, withdraw crypto. In this case, we want to withdraw crypto, USDT. We want to transfer it to Payeer. In this place, you search for USDT. This is USDT. If you can't find it, you can search for it here. But you can see this is USDT. You pick USDT. Because you want to transfer USDT from Binance to Payeer, you have to go to Payeer to pick the USDT wallet of the destination address. So we come to Payeer. You log on to your Payeer. This is inside my Payeer. You locate USDT wallet. We are looking for USDT wallet. You can search for it. USDT. You can see this is USDT. Because we want to deposit and move USDT from Binance to Payeer, so you click deposit. You can see these are different wallets. This is Tron wallet, this is Ethereum wallet, this is BEP20 wallet, and this is Polygon wallet for USDT. So we have 4 options of wallet that we can use. So we go back to Binance to decide which one will cost us less. So you come to Binance, you come to select network, you select network, you can scroll down. This is where you decide which of the wallet is best for you. You look at the options. The fee is 0. If you use Binance BNB Smart Chain BEP20, you will not pay anything. If you use Tron, you will pay $1. We have Ethereum too, because if you come here, you see we have Ethereum, we have Tron, and we have BEP20, and we have Polygon. So Ethereum will cost you $2. You can see it. As at the time of this video, the best option for you to transfer USDT from Binance to Payeer is to use BEP20 network, which is Binance BNB Smart Chain. So you select BEP20. We've selected the network. So you come back to Payeer. This is BEP20. You copy the wallet. You paste the wallet here. The next thing you need to do is to select the amount you are sending. You can see the minimum you can send is 10 USDT, and you just click withdraw. You pass through the verification, you do the authorization, and before you know it, your money will be here. It's as simple as that. So you now know how to transfer USDT from Binance to Payeer. If this video has added value to you, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me.